Good morning, guys. Here we are in Sports Cards for Joy. Thank you for joining. We're going to open an illusion box from Panini 2019-2020. Let's just move the wrap here. Okay, so on this ones we're looking for exclusive emerald and ruby parallels. Nothing too fancy on this box, but it's kind of cool to open a new box, you know. So let's take a look and see what we got. We have 6 packs with 6 cards each. Okay, so we got our packs there. And let's see what we got. Our first pack. Okay, so we have Kevin Knox, Chris Middleton, Damian Lillard. Love this player, man. Love this player. Awesome. We have TJ Warren, Zach LaVine from my favorite team. Not that good, but it's my favorite team all time. And Daniel Gafford, our rookie from Chicago Bulls also. Okay, looks, this is kind of my box from the Bulls. So let's see what else come in here. Second pack. We have Frank Linkina. Oh, and by the way, I actually didn't show you, but this is a green parallel. It's kind of hard to actually notice, but it's a little bit green on the background. Okay, we have Devontae Graham, LaMarcus Aldridge, Carmelo Anthony, Melo, and it's a green parallel. That's good. Bradley Beal, and the other rookie we have is Nicola Melli. Okay, from the New Orleans. Let's go with the third pack. Third pack we have our LeBron James. Nice. The champ. Victor Oladipo. And we have Jaren Jackson Jr. Oh, nice insert. We have an insert rookie. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Yeah. That's Jared Culver, by the way. It's kind of hard to read, right? But it's really nice looking insert. We have our Malik Beasley, and our rookie is Carson Edwards from Boston Celtics. Let's go for the number 4 pack. Let's see what we got here on this one. Okay, pretty nice bag box actually so far. Picking the LeBron, Lillard. It's pretty nice. I love it, especially because it has some Bulls on it. Kristaps Porzingis, Devin Booker, Jonas Valanciunas. Okay, oh, we have here our acetate card. Oh, nice. This is actually really nice. It's Donovan Mitchell. Really nice card. I Love it. You have a little defect here. It's a shame, but very nice, really nice. We have Patty Mills and PJ Washington Jr. It's a rookie. Let's go with a pack number 5. Okay, so we have Danilo Gallinari, Marc Gasol, Wendell Carter Jr. We have our parallel here, Kevin Love, nice. Marvin Bagley III, and our rookie Nash Reed from the Timberwolves. And the last pack. Let's see what we got on the last one. We have Chris Paul. Nice. Chris Paul. Nice card. Larry Markkinen. And here we go. Another Bull. Another Bulls guy. That's nice. Eric Bledsoe. Another good insert here. So it's kind of green. We have Darius Basley. Lonnie Walker Ford. And our last card, rookie Taco Fall. Nice card. Okay. And that's it for this box. I'm happy with the Taco Fall, of course. Also with my Bulls players here. Chris Paul is a nice card actually. This acetate of Donovan Mitchell, very good. Of course, LeBron, nice card. Melo, Shaq, Levine, and Lillard. Love these cards. So I'm happy with the box. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day.